Perfect summer snack. Healthy ice cream in 5 minutes, 2 ingredients. Frozen mango, a touch of Greek yogurt. You can stop right there, or you can add a touch of sweetener for an extra sweet kick. An optional vanilla protein powder. Now we blend, that's it. Look at that. Woo! Have patience. All done. Smooth consistency, look at that. That is... I could eat this all day. Perfect summer snack, high protein, low calorie, cucumber. Start off with some Greek yogurt. Grab your lemon, fresh lemon zest. Roll the lemon. Squeeze your lemons. Hit it with some fresh garlic. Snack, snack. Hit it with some salt, some fresh dill, and some chili flakes for a kick. Give that a good mix. Oh yeah. Now grab your cucumber. Bam, bam. Thin strips of cucumber. All in one pan, very little effort. Let's do it.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So